You spend so much money on your house, upkeep, your garden, the pond, the trees have to be pruned. But nothing is being done about your inner garden, right? Your inner engine. And that's why we are not running on optimum. So here's the beauty of this. If you clean it out, and if you want to be high level, clean out your inner junk. Clean it daily. That's my only secret to success. Daily inner flossing. As Michael Beckwith says, he takes an inner shower every day. The fact that we don't do this as a lifestyle is why the world looks the way it does. The outside noise distracts us so much to the inside noise, and the outside noise keeps us reacting to it. But when we become silent and cannot engage with the outside noise, very quickly what happens is the inside noise becomes cacophonous. So this is what meditation is. It's looking under the hood and then doing a major overhaul